U.S. Drought Monitor, May 21st, 2026. For all 50 U.S. states and Puerto Rico, the U.S. Drought Monitor showed 52.15% of the area in moderate drought or worse, compared with 51.35% last week. About 158.2 million people live in areas now in drought, compared with 153.4 million the week before. This week, the lower 48 saw large regional temperature anomalies. A major cold air mass brought temperatures down across the Dakotas, Minnesota, New York, and Pennsylvania. Meanwhile, the Southwest and Southern Plains experienced warmer than normal temperatures, with highs averaging 6 to 15 degrees above normal. Later in the week, this warm air mass expanded into the Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic, which started an early season heat wave. This week saw severe thunderstorm outbreaks and large moisture disparities. At the beginning of the week, heavy rainfall totals of 4 to 6 inches fell across the central Gulf Coast, especially Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. On May 17th and 18th, a severe weather outbreak occurred across the Great Plains and Midwest. A powerful storm system produced damaging winds of up to 80 miles per hour, large hail, and multiple tornadoes across South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, and Missouri, with localized flash flooding. In contrast, extreme dryness persisted west of the Rocky Mountains. Weekly precipitation totals generally remained under 1/10 of an inch, which further elevated wildfire risk across the southern high plains. Conditions worsened in parts of the Midwest this week, with small areas of improvement in Illinois, Iowa, and Kentucky. The rest of the lower 48 saw a mix of improvement and degradation to dryness and drought. Puerto Rico saw degradation this week, while Hawaii and Alaska saw a few areas of improvement. The U.S. Drought Monitor is produced each Thursday through a partnership between the National Drought Mitigation Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln, the USDA, NOAA, and NASA. Visit droughtmonitor.unl.edu for more. NDMC helps people everywhere reduce vulnerability to drought. Learn more about our work at drought.unl.edu.